you and have no consequences.
And like not feeling bad.
Hey man, excuse me sir, can I take picture with you? One photo.
One photo, 50 rupee. 50 rupee, not 100, not 200, 50 rupee. He gets it. I think he gets it. Yes madam, you like Bengal? Bengal, I sell you Bengal.
No.
Best quality, you will not find no place other. You find best Bengal here with me. You like 50 rupee I give you, it's nothing. Here, take.
I need 20. I need 20. Yeah, we talked to a guy and he gave us 20 for 100. He was like 2 for 100. I was like, I need 20, and he's like, okay, your price. Okay. Shoot.
Well, the best to do is you just say to them, okay, I buy everything 1 rupee. They're like, fuck.